Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Today we are going to solve the problem maximum sum in the configuration. So given an integer array ARR, find the maximum sum value of the sum of I into array of I for all the I greater than equal to 1, 0 and less than equal to array of the size minus 1. The operation is to rotate the array clockwise or anti-clockwise the array any number of times. So in this question we are given an array and we need to find the maximum value of the sum I into array of I and for each element in the array, and the operations allowed are to rotate the array clockwise or anti-clockwise any number of times. So if we are rotating the array clockwise, then anti-clockwise configurations are also covered and vice versa. So let's see this example. So we have 3 1 2 8. So let's say the sum of I into array of I will be 3 into 0 because it is the 0th index, 1 into 1, 2 into 2 and 8 into 3. So 29. So this is the maximum sum which we will get for any configuration. So this is the question, and what the brute force approach will be to traverse the array for each configuration. So this will be the big of n square complexity solution. So let's try to think of something more optimal. So let's see on the whiteboard here. So for this array, what we have, the sum will be 3 into 0, 1 into 1, 2 into 2 and 8 into 3. For the next configuration, let's say we will be rotate the array by to the left side. So 1 will come at this place, 2 will at 1 and 8 will at this index, and the 3 will move to this. So the next sum will be 1 into 0, 2 into 1, 8 into 2 and 3 into 3. So by seeing this configuration, we can see that we can utilize the sum which we get from this the computation. We can reuse this sum to the next configuration. Let's say the sum for this configuration will be 29. So for the next iteration, for the next configuration, we don't need to do this manually. We can use some logic and then drive this result of this configuration. So what we can observe is the occurrences of 1, 2 and 3 have been reduced by 1. The 1 was appearing one time here, now it is appearing 0. The 2 was appearing 2 times here, the 2 was appearing is now 1. The 8 was appearing 3 times here, the 8 is appearing 2 times now. And the 3 was occurring 0 times, but now it is occurring 3 times. So from this we can derive that if we take if we move on to the next iteration, we can use the previous calculated sum and reduce the sum of these elements, the last 3 or n minus 1 elements here, and increase the and add the sum of n minus 1 times into the first element of the previous configuration. So this is the basic approach here. So let's see the code here. So firstly we are calculating the array sum and the current sum for the first configuration. It will be I into array of I. For the next iteration onwards, we are removing the last elements of the previous configurations. So these sum will be array of sum minus the I minus 1. So I is 1 here, so I minus 1 will be 0. So this element is removed from the sum. So we will get the sum of 1, 2 and 8. So it will be 11. So here, and also we need to increase the frequency of the first element of the previous configuration by the n minus 1 time. That's we have written over here. So we will calculate the maximum of these current sum variable for each iteration from 1 to n, and then we will return the result. So that's all for in this problem. So please like this video and please subscribe to the channel. It will be very helpful. Thank you.